What if it was simple to use a regular pen and paper notebook while saving everything in the cloud, perfectly organized the way you want? And what if after you saved your notes in the cloud and filled your paper notebook, you could just erase it with the push of a button and use it again? That's not magic, that's the Rocketbook Wave Notebook. With the Wave Notebook and the Rocketbook app, you instantly blast your notes into the cloud using your mobile device. In a fraction of a second, Rocketbook Machine Vision scans, enhances, and sends each page to the specific destination they belong on the cloud services you already use. Each Wave Notebook page has 7 symbols. Set up the Rocketbook app to assign each symbol to a location within Dropbox, Google Docs, Evernote, or simply to your email inbox. Let's see how Jake has his set up. He marks the diamond symbol and the Rocketbook app sends the notes to his customer meetings notes in Evernote. When he's brainstorming, he marks the star symbol, which he decided are for the notes that belong in his ideas folder in Google Docs. Now that your notes are in the cloud, when your notebook is filled, there's no need to go buy another book or let used notebooks clutter your life. Here's how you can reuse your Wave Notebook multiple times with the mere push of a button. Take your notes using Friction Pilot pens, available in many office supply stores and Amazon.com. Friction Pilot ink turns clear under heat, and the Wave Notebook is specially designed to be microwave safe. That means you can clear your entire Wave Notebook in your microwave in the same amount of time it takes to make a cup of tea. When our specially designed thermal logo on the cover turns from blue to white, your Wave Notebook has been cleared and is ready to be reused. And with your notes in the cloud, an empty notebook has endless possibilities. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook.
This is Leah. 2 minutes and she's out. But you've been trying for 2 hours. I'm sure you've tried every trick in the book. Like trying to stop thinking. Stop thinking, stop thinking, stop. Crap, I thought. Or trying to relax. Oh! It's not that these techniques are useless. In fact, they're actually pretty good. Unfortunately, you probably had more important things to learn at school. This here is Hishram. Relaxing fast is his thing. Just look. He focuses on his breathing, and he progressively slows it down. And by slowing his breathing all the way down to about 6 breaths a minute, he stimulates the baroflex, a physiological mechanism that allows him to become completely calm in just a few minutes. And when it comes to not thinking, he's pretty good at that too. He can concentrate on his breathing for a really long time and remain undistracted by buzzing thoughts. But you are not Hishram. Even in bed, you struggle to focus on your breath for more than 20 seconds at a time. Actually, your attention span is probably more like Bob's than Hishram's. That's why we've designed Dodo. It helps you fall asleep by making you almost as chill as Hishram. I'll have one of those. You synchronize your breathing with the light projected on the ceiling. By focusing on something outside your own head, you'll pay less attention to the thoughts that are keeping you awake. At the same time, just like a metronome, Dodo helps slow down your breathing from 11 to 6 breaths a minute, which helps relieve your anxiety. And so, in less than 8 minutes, you'll find yourself ready to doze off. Dodo won't turn you into a Buddhist monk, but it will help you fall asleep faster. And that's probably all you need.
Keep your family safe with the Skybell Video Doorbell. Skybell sends live video of your front door to your smartphone so you can always know who's at the door.
Can I help you?
Somebody report a power outage?
Everything's fine in this house.
You must be mistaken.
Okay.
Skybell has already helped customers prevent robberies before they happen. We also believe that the things that keep you safe should also keep you connected to the ones you love.
Daddy, I'm home from school and look what I made you.
Oh, that's great, sweetheart.
And make your life a little easier.
I have a package for Rachel.
Great, I'll be home soon. Can you leave it on the side of the house?
Sure.
Tired of visitors waking up your baby by pressing your doorbell? With the silent mode feature, you can turn off the indoor chime and still receive notifications on your phone. On sale now on Amazon Prime.